Today, I'm going to show you how to delete unwanted autofill entries on Chrome, including saved addresses, contact info, and payment methods. This is a really useful fix if Chrome keeps suggesting old details, wrong information, or cards you no longer want saved. It only takes a few minutes, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to manage. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Chrome profile, because autofill data is stored per profile. If you use more than one browser profile, the entry you want to remove may be in a different one. So this step is important. Now, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From the dropdown, click Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage saved information, privacy options, passwords, and autofill data. On the left-hand sidebar, click Autofill and Passwords. This is the section where Chrome stores the information it uses to speed up forms, like addresses, contacts, and payment details. Once you open it, you'll see different categories you can manage. If you want to delete a saved address or contact entry, click Contact Info. Chrome will show you the list of saved contact details associated with your profile. Scroll through the list and find the entry you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check the details so you don't delete the wrong one. When you found the correct entry, click the three dots next to it. Then click Delete. Chrome will usually ask you to confirm the action, so click Delete again to finish removing it. Once confirmed, that autofill contact information will be removed from your browser. Now, if you want to delete a saved payment method, go back to Autofill and Passwords and click Payments. This section shows your saved cards and billing details. Again, scroll through carefully and locate the card you want to remove. Make sure the last four digits or card label match the one you want gone. After you find the correct card, click the three dots next to it and choose Delete. If Chrome asks for confirmation, click Delete again. That will remove the saved payment method from autofill, so it won't keep appearing when you're filling out forms or checking out online. If you have multiple unwanted entries, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just go back into Contact Info or Payments, locate the item, open the three-dot menu, and delete it. This is a great way to clean up your browser and keep only the information you actually use. And that's it. You've now deleted unwanted autofill entries on Chrome. You've cleared out old contact info, removed saved addresses, and deleted payment methods you no longer want stored. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.